All right. Hey, Adam. Um, all right. This is not the exact same carburetor, obviously, but what we have, that's the butterfly, that thing I'm opening with my thumb. You can see that brass, little kind of tower thing sticking up, kind of right where I'm moving my finger. That should have clear passage all the way into the float bowl itself right here. So if you pull the float bowl off, you hold it up to the light, you should be able to see light through that small hole. Usually those will get packed off because of the crud in the gasoline these days. What I do is I take a wire brush and I just pluck out one of these stiff little wires and grab it with the needle nose pliers after I've got it plugged up and just kind of work it up through that main jet to try to see if I can get some light through there. It's a really tiny hole, so you're not going to be able to get like a clothes hanger or anything like that. And copper wire is not going to be strong enough. It's just gonna, you're not going to be able to get it through there. So that's why I use like a wire brush like this. All right. Anyway, hope that helps. Something else I got to thinking about is if you got like just any alcohol or starting fluid, obviously is the best, but it comes in the aerosol and you blast it in. What you can do is once you got the air cleaner off, you can squirt some of this right inside the, the carburetor and give it a couple tugs on the pull start. If it fires a couple times, you know it's not getting fuel, and then your spark plug and your ignition should be good. All right, hope it helps.